Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jowar cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of Jowar flour, 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Also, have 1/4 cup of ghee or unsalted butter and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the ghee or butter and powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, sift in the Jowar flour, whole wheat flour, and cardamom powder. Gently combine these dry ingredients with the wet mixture. Mix until a soft, pliable dough forms, being careful not to overwork it. It's time to shape and bake your delicious cookies. Take small portions of the dough, about 1 inch in diameter, and roll them into smooth balls. Gently flatten each ball slightly. Place these on your prepared baking sheet, ensuring there's about 1 inch of space between each cookie. Bake them in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are a light golden brown. Once baked, let your Jowar cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. They will be delicate when warm. After this initial cooling, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures they become perfectly crisp. Store your cooled cookies in an airtight container, and they will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.